So the price of Time has dipped a little bit, but don't let that scare you because in January, the price of Time is going to explode, and here's why. Sifu and Danielle, the founders of Time Wonderland, has come out with some huge news this week, and I think these news will actually skyrocket the price to levels we haven't seen before. And of course, I am invested in Time Wonderland myself, so my opinions will be biased to some extent, but it's not hard to see how these news are a good thing for the price and protocol as a whole. So first, sports betting is coming to Time Wonderland protocol, and this alone is huge because, as you know, Time Wonderland is protocol owned by the stakers. And if you know anything about gambling or betting, is that house always wins. It's likely that the earnings from sports betting will be paid to us, stakers. And because house always wins, gambling and betting is one of the most profitable business models out there on the planet. And they become more profitable on the blockchain. And the best part is that we as stakers will actually reap the rewards. So currently Time Wonderland is making about $500,000 per day from treasury investments, and with sports betting I could see it easily double. And this of course could send the APY through the roof, or if we move to a revenue share model early in the year, the earning from the sports betting side of Time Wonderland will be paid out as a revenue share for us stakers. Another thing that's huge for Time Wonderland that's coming next year is nodes, and I think this is basically a response to success of Strong Blocks. And if you don't know what that is, Strong Blocks is node as a service where you pay about $5,000 with current prices up front in exchange for a validator node that actually validates Ethereum transactions, and you get paid back a piece of the pie, which currently is about 0.1 strong. So if you invest about $5,000, you will be earning about $1,400 in the first month, and you will hit your break even in about 20 days with this Strong Blocks project. And why I think this is huge for Time Wonderland, because there's been so many rug pulls from forks of Strong, where basically they claim that they create nodes, but actually it's just a Ponzi scheme, and there has been not one good Strong Blocks fork yet. And I think Time Wonderland has the resources, the manpower to pull a real competitor off. And if and when they actually do, this will be huge, because people are actively looking for alternatives to Strong Blocks, because if you didn't know, Strong Blocks is built on Ethereum network where fees are absolutely crazy high, and to claim your rewards you actually have to pay a huge amount in fees, which no one really likes. So real and proven competitor on Avalanche or Phantom network will be welcome, and in my opinion will just take off like crazy. Better yet, if we can use our time to create nodes, that will be crazy. And I can't wait to see what crazy strategies people come up with leveraging and other crazy schemes with nodes, if they ever come out on Time Wonderland. So these news are huge if you are a staker, because this project is about 2 or 3 months old and we are still extremely early, and that's the reason why I won't stake my funds in the foreseeable future. And I don't really pay attention that much to price action, because with these huge news coming out and with Danny and Sifu building up on this huge infrastructure, it's just gaining popularity over time. There's so many new people joining in, and with multi-chain Wonderland coming out in January, I think we will attract so many new investors. And as Sifu himself said, we are still extremely early. Also, Sifu did a small AMA yesterday where he breaks down some of the important things that are happening, and I'm gonna go over some things that I found most important from this. Question: if the profit share model is implemented, will we receive profits on top of already existing rebases? Answer to that is yes, which is great. Extra profit for us stakers. Question: our market cap is huge, which is not really a question. Sifu answers to that: we'll continue to grow, we are barely getting started. If the funds in treasury go down with crypto markets, so does the backing price go down as well, right? If the treasury funds reduce in value, yes, backing will decrease. However, most of our treasury is held in stable coins, and active treasury management allows me to sell early during an expected downturn. This is not a large concern. When do you think we will move to revenue sharing model? Revenue share can be added through governance at any time. No plans to stop rebates. We'll begin reducing dilution from mints by selling DAO tokens instead of minting fresh ones. This is huge because one of the biggest concerns for stakers is dilution of time, and this just shows that Sifu shares our concerns and are actively working on solving them. What more could you want from a developer? And I'm quickly going to go over my personal investment in Time Wonderland, so you know I'm not just talking out of my ass. I am actively invested in the project. So I started with $360 and I bought in at the price of $8,700. Then I bought in again with $1,200 when the price was $7,300. Well, looking back on this, it's just crazy. I should have waited a couple of more days. But anyways, I currently have 0.36 memo and my current profit is minus $274. But if the price was $8,700, which was the price I bought in first, then I would have made $1,600. This just shows how much you can earn from rebases if you buy in at proper times. If you buy now at the current price, which is about $3,500, you can expect to double your money in about 35 days, which is crazy because I see people throw their entire portfolio in these crazy rock pulley projects when you can double your money in 35 days with Time Wonderland, which is proven to work and which will work for foreseeable future. Anyways guys, that about wraps up the video. Thank you so much for subscribing and helping me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. We are currently at 1,300 subscribers and I haven't forgotten about the giveaway. I will be announcing the winners tomorrow, so if you haven't entered yet, you can still make it if you subscribe and go to my last video and see what you need to do to enter the giveaway. It's really simple, you just need to leave a comment. What will you do with the time you win? Thank you so much for watching, bye.